I don't know about you, but I am actually looking forward to the time when humanoid robots will take over. And by that, I don't mean them taking over the world and our lives, but the demanding, repetitive, and challenging tasks many of us still have to perform at our place of work. There is a push these days in the field of humanoid robots, with a number of companies being close to deploying their products on various assembly lines. Robot names like Atlas, Apollo, Phoenix, Figure 02, Valkyrie, or Optimus are spoken more and more often, and there's a great chance these six will be the forefathers of a bipedal robot working society. What brings us here today is the robot called Apollo. We're talking about it not because of something the robot itself did, but because of what the company making it, a Texas-based crew called Apptronik, has planned for it. The humanoid machine these guys are researching is not too different from all the others. It's bipedal and it has 2 arms and a head, measuring 5 feet 8 inches tall. It's about the weight of an average human male, 160 pounds, and it has enough power in its arms and legs to be able to carry up to 55 pounds of whatever. Modular by design, it can perform its duties in one of 3 configurations: a torso mounted on a wheeled platform, a torso mounted on a stationary stand, or with 2 legs. The latter variant is the one that caught the eye of German carmaker Mercedes-Benz, which at some point said it plans to test the Apollo in one of its factories, as a tool for logistics and delivery of assembly kits. While we're still waiting on updates on when and where that will happen, Apptronik announced a partnership with engineering, manufacturing, and supply chain solutions specialist Jabil that will effectively see Apollo getting involved in the production of, well, itself. We're not given the specifics of what that actually means, but the Texans say Apollo robots will be integrated into specific Jabil manufacturing operations, including on the production lines that will build other robots. The machines will be working alongside human workers and they'll be tasked, at first at least, with simple work, taking over from their human colleagues' inspection, sorting, kitting, line-side delivery, fixture placement, and sub-assembly. It's unclear exactly when this experiment will begin, or where it will unfold. It is, for the lack of a better phrase, just one step in the Apollo's push to take over the world, as its maker intends to make the robot a common sight not only on assembly lines, but also in front-of-house retail, elder care, and ultimately private homes.